I'll be showing you how to update your Samsung Galaxy A55. So simply go to settings, and if you have an available update, it's actually going to show you at the top of your settings page. But in case it doesn't show you from there, then you can always scroll down and find software update. Tap on that and then tap on download and install. Now it's going to check if there are any available updates. Now mine has already checked and downloaded, and all I need to do to install this update is to tap on restart now. Now if I want to, I can schedule a restart so that the phone automatically restarts by itself at the scheduled time. But if I want to update right now, I'll just tap on restart now, and my phone is now going to apply the downloaded software update. Now it might restart 1 or 2 times during this process, so just be patient and let it do its thing. When it's done, it's just going to restart back to the normal UI. So in case you want to have your phone automatically downloading updates, just waiting for you to restart, then just go to settings and then go to software update and then enable auto download over Wi-Fi. So with this enabled, it means your phone will keep checking for available updates, download them, keep them on the phone, and then let you install when you're ready to install. So you can either schedule a restart or just tap on restart to install the downloaded update files immediately. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.